Good morning, Daniel. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? Todd spoke with you yesterday, and as promised, here is your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick and go through your site in this video to do a website audit and show you personally what is holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to really bring value to your company, start outranking your competitors online. The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for a construction company in your area, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google's looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. When I go through your website, I see you have some great photos and a beautiful layout, but not enough content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words, and you guys only have 600 words on your front page here. Adding another 900 words of content with the keywords you're trying to target is going to really make a difference in you being found on Google. Now, not only does Google come in and look at your site, but they're reading it to try and see what search terms you have on your website. If you don't have the keywords on your website that you're trying to rank for, Google isn't going to be able to find you. So having those keywords on your page listed 3 to 5 times really ensures that Google is going to find you. Now, going back to the search results for construction company in Gordonville, Pennsylvania, we can see these 3 companies are ranking at the top as well as these, okay? Now this is called the map pack, and the top 3 listed here are the ones that get a lot of the work because they're really easy to find and they're listed right away. These are called the organics, and the same thing applies down here. If we take a look at this first company here, Scenic Ridge Company, we can see it's actually a steel building website and construction company. Okay. Not a whole lot of content either, but let's take a look at why they're ranking. This is a paid program I use called Ahrefs to research websites. I went ahead and put their website into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I'm going to want to go over is UR and DR ratings. A DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. And a UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These are generally raised by backlinks. Now, backlinks refer to links that point back to your website. In Google's eyes, it is almost like a popularity contest. For example, if a blog website wrote an article about construction companies and listed your website URL as a company they recommended, they'd be giving you 1 backlink. We can see here that they have 31 important backlinks, powerful backlinks, okay? Now, I want to call attention to their organic keywords. They're ranking for a lot of words. However, when we look at some of the words relevant to your area, we can see construction companies in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. There's 100 people searching for this every month, but they're listed all the way down in 35th. There are a lot of keywords out there that have some higher search volume in towns near you that we would be able to rank you for. If we take a look at your website now, we can see that your UR and DR ratings are so low, they're not registering. You have 27 backlinks, however, you only have 1 important backlink. And you're only ranking for 1 keyword, which is Gordonville, Pennsylvania, and you're on the 7th page of Google and 73rd. This is because you don't have the search terms in your content, and this is why it's important to get them there. You also need to really raise your backlink numbers in order to get these numbers up higher. Now, you're not listed on the front page for the Google results, but in this video, we went over how to get yourself into that map pack. 1, through content and keywords and how you need at least 1,500 words on your home page. 2, through UR and DR ratings and how you're going to need to raise those through backlinks. And 3, the backlinks, what your competition has for them, and how to beat them out by showing Google you have more authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. Now, I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you guys. If you like what you've seen here today, you can email me back or give me a phone call, and we can continue to look further into what you would need to get your website ranking for the top. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a great day.